This is the results from the ice storm we've been having for about 24 hours and still going on. It's April 10th, 2013. Everything, of course, is shut down, pretty much. I want to make this video pretty brief so I can email it or YouTube it. Front yard. Across the way, the tree damage was even worse. Another siren. Their driveway. Marcy's next door. Across the way. You can see that the 3/4 of an inch of rain that we got yesterday pretty much froze like a glass jacket on everything. The branches got too heavy and can't sustain it. The fire laddies are going out again. Lots of people are way worse off than we are. I think it's pretty much the end of the tree over here in the corner of the house. It's just broken everywhere. I think we're going to get rid of that one.